Alright, here we go. Stage 3. Jack is in place. Pretty much center of the cab. Got it all up. Now, do this at your own risk. I don't advise this. I'm taking a chance. But you see that 2x4? Whole cab of the truck's on that 2x4, that jack. That's just a chance you take sometimes. So, we got the old one out, got the new one in place. Pretty easy process. Just doing a little prying, a little beating, a little banging, it'll come right on out. You can see, there's the old mount. Just crumbling apart in my hand. Gone, totally gone. See all the trash. But that one's done. Just got to run the bolt down on it. This one here, she's a little bit hung up. So we got a trick we can do. The bottom washer right there is threaded. That's where the bolt goes down into to hold everything into position. It's being a little stubborn, falling apart. I can't get it to separate. So we got a little trick we can do here. I'll show you in just a second. Alright, so a little trick we got. Take the bolt that goes to the front. Two different sizes, by the way. One in the back's a lot longer than the one in the front. So we're just going to drop this thing back down in the hole. See if we can't get it to go on back down in there. And we can use that as a punch. Possibly, hopefully, knock the two pieces apart. Let's see what we got here. There it is, separated. So, off to the races we go. Time to put the new one in. Alright, the old one just fell out. You can see it. Toast. There's the bottom flange. That's the threaded end down there. It holds everything into place. So, once you get to this point, probably pry a little bit on here. Get this to break loose. And got the old trusty dusty equalizer here. Sorry for the shaking around of the camera. Well, it's gonna take a little bit more, so I'm about to put the camera down. Y'all get the point though. Stay tuned, more to come.